Crypto exchange Binance freezes withdrawals of stablecoin USDC as rattle investors pull $2 billion in funds out. This just came out yesterday in Market Insider. I started to do this last night, and I had another obligation. But you need to take heed on this article, and you need to look at an article that came out more recent today, because you might see the same problem with this that you did with FTX. It's important that you really put off whatever you got and look into this real quick. It's very important. Otherwise, you could lose all your money. Now, leading crypto exchange Binance temporarily halted withdrawals of the USDC stablecoin on Tuesday. That was yesterday. Okay. Now, customers have pulled over $2 billion in funds in 24 hours as concern about the stablecoin growth. That's in 24 hours, that much. And who knows how much has already been pulled out. Okay. Now, liquidity crises occur when a lot of people pull their money out. That can stir problems just in itself. Now, questions about Binance's reserves and a potential investigation are in focus after the FTX's collapse. This is real important that you look into this. And if you've got money in Binance, I would be, I'm not going to advise you because I'm not a financial advisor on your part, but I'm going to tell you, I would be reading up on this and take whatever precautions you need, and you need to do whatever quick decision you're going to make. Binance has temporarily paused withdrawals, listen to this, of a major stablecoin after customers pulled over $2 billion in funds as worries about the crypto exchange stability grow after the collapse of FTX. Remember I told you this could affect a domino effect when I mentioned about these other crypto exchanges. I did the on our videos, and I think you could be seeing the same thing happen here. The world's largest crypto exchange will freeze all withdrawals of USD coin while it conducts a token swap to boost its holdings of the dollar peg token. CEO Xingpeng Zhao said Tuesday. I have trouble pronouncing his name. I'll call it CZ, okay? And in fact, they went on the article and said that on the USDC, we've seen an increase in withdrawals. The Binance boss, this is the Binance boss saying this, commonly known as CZ, tweeted. Now, Binance has faced questions over transparency about its reserves and reports of an imminent investigation by U.S. prosecutors in recent days. This has been just in the last few days now, which have rattled some crypto investors in the wake of the collapse of the now defunct FTX. So just the fact that this is happening, a run on the actual brokerage company could occur. Now, Binance requires traditional fiat currency held by a New York bank to swap some of its Paxos Standard and Binance USD stablecoins for USDC, so that it has sufficient holdings of the token for withdrawals to continue, as they mentioned. Now, the banks are not open for another few hours. They talked about here, but they stated that we expect the situation to be restored when the banks open. Don't count on that, okay? USDC has its value fixed at $1 US, and it's used by some crypto traders as a place to park their cash at times of high uncertainty or volatility. Now, the stablecoin maintained its dollar pegged on Tuesday, while Binance coined a noted token that it's seen as reflecting customers' trust in exchange had slipped 5.12%. It traded just under 269 at last check on Tuesday. Now, Binance halted USDC withdrawals after customers pulled over $2 billion worth of cryptocurrency from the exchange on Monday, according to data from blockchain intelligence platform Nassen. Now, those withdrawals came after top accountants and legal experts claimed a proof of reserves report published last week, where Binance claimed its Bitcoin holdings were over-collateralized, which would mean it held more than enough of the token to cover its losses in case of a default. Now, U.S. prosecutors are revving up to charge CZ's crypto. This is the key thing that you need to look at right here. U.S. prosecutors are revving up a charge on CZ's crypto group for violating anti-money laundering regulations from 2018 onwards. Reuters reported on Monday. Now, the report said Binance processed over $10 billion worth of illegal payments in 2022. This could be a problem just in itself. Now, to follow up tweets, Tuesday, CZ called on Binance customers to avoid acting based on FUD, an acronym for the feelings, fear, uncertainty, and doubt that crypto bulls believe drive some traders away from the digital asset space. You're going to have to be the decision maker on what to do on this. I'm just giving you the facts. Crypto investors are on alert for any sign that the problems that helped pull down FTX could spread to other platforms. The now bankrupt crypto exchange collapsed after facing a liquidity squeeze, and over 1 million customers may have lost money, according to NPR. Now, as at the request of the U.S. authorities in the Bahamas arrested FTX's founder and former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried on Monday. Of course, he faces allegations he illegally misused billions of dollars in FTX customer funds to prop up sister trading from Alameda Research. This is the key right here that I'm trying to tell you is it's not the Bitcoin, it's not the USDC, it's what's happening in the firm that's holding them. And this is the problem and it's not just that, it's the backlash you're getting from the domino effect from these others. What sort of funds did Binance have with other companies? Other things too is what sort of problems are they going to have with the U.S. government on this $10 billion they're talking about? Plus the run on the actual firm. You make the decision on that. I'm just bringing you the facts. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Anyway, folks, if you want to learn more on this, go to our website, www.citizenshipquickly.com. Just ask for some help. If you want to legally get your income taxes to zero or how to get a second passport as quick as 45 days. And folks, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the right of your screen right here. You'll get new videos automatically as they come out. And I would like to hear from you. If you got a question or comment, put it below, and I'll look forward to talking to you in the next video. Take care.